Welcome to Email Desk, your trusted source for clear email solutions. Let's get started and make email simple.
Finding the page setup dialog box in Microsoft Outlook can be a frustrating experience, primarily because it isn't located where you might intuitively look for it, such as in a Layout or Format tab on the main ribbon like in Microsoft Word. The key to understanding its location is to realize that page setup in Outlook is exclusively tied to the function of printing an email, not composing or viewing it on screen. To access it, you must first open the specific email message you intend to print. Once the email is open in its own window or selected in the reading pane, navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner of the application. From the File menu, select Print from the left-hand column. This will bring you to the main print interface, where you'll see a preview of your email on the right and a list of printers and settings on the left. Here is the crucial step that most people miss: you need to click the Print Options button. Clicking this will open a new, smaller dialog box simply titled Print. Within this print dialog box, you will finally see the button you've been searching for, labeled Page Setup. Clicking this Page Setup button opens yet another dialog box, which is the traditional page setup menu, typically containing 3 or 4 tabs. The Format tab allows you to define specific fonts for elements like the title. The Paper tab is where you control settings like paper size, e.g., letter, A4, legal, the paper source for your printer, and the page orientation, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape. The Header/Footer tab gives you extensive control over what information is printed at the top and bottom of each page, such as the subject, username, date, time, and page number. Finally, the Margins tab lets you precisely define the top, bottom, left, and right margins in inches or your local unit of measurement. It is essential to remember that any changes you make here will only apply to the printed output of the email using the memo style and will have no effect on how the email appears on your screen. So, the path is always File, then Print Options, and finally, Page Setup. Thank you for watching, and if this guide helped you solve this common Outlook puzzle, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials.